Alright, so this is my demo of my project 3. So at the beginning we have this menu. We can choose whether to allow diagonal paths. We can choose our heuristic from Manhattan or Euclidean. We can choose what algorithm we want, A* or Dextra, and we can choose a map. We have 3 maps. We have an empty 10 by 10 map, a maze that is 25 by 25, and a square that's 32 by 32, and we can do custom. I'm going to do custom, and you can see that we can select dimensions, let's say 7 by 9. They don't have to be even, and then we hit go. And we can move the map around like this. We can rescale it and scale it back. And then, so for the custom map, you can click to set tiles, and then you press space when you're finished. Now we can click on our start point and our end point, and you can step through doing one at a time. It shows the G and H values up here and the final value down here, and we can just hit start. We can slow it way down or speed it up. And then at the end it draws the path with these blue dots. So if we want, we can just reset. It just reloads the scene so we can draw something new. And then we can just put the start point there. If we put the end point somewhere unreachable, then it'll check everything and display no possible path. So now we can go back to the menu. Let's say yes to diagonals. We'll use Euclidean. We'll show off Dijkstra, and let's do the square map. This one is over 1,000 cells in the map, which fulfills that embellishment. So this one is really big, so let's scale it down to about 0.3. So let's set our start. Oh, sometimes so when you scale, it moves back to the center. It just did that, that's why it jumped. So let's set that there. Maybe set the end here. And start. Dijkstra doesn't show the numbers because there's really no point. And it finds the path. You can see that it's taking some diagonals here, here, and here. We can reset. Put our start point there, put our end point in here. And this endpoint actually is reachable because we've allowed diagonals. So it'll allow it to go diagonally through that wall and go in there. Let's go back to the menu. Let's do A*, we can show the maze. Put that there, and that there, start, and just speed it up a bit. And if you get far enough away, oops, the numbers do disappear since they become unreadable. But if we just zoom back in, they show up again. And I think that's about it. Yeah, I believe that is it. And to exit, you just hit escape.